My name's Aaron Croman, here to teach you Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to make a gnarly metal shirt design. Okay, so first we're going to fill our background, make it black, and then we're going to make a new layer. Fill it black, and next we're going to use the text tool, make sure it's white. And I'm using a font called Hardcorium. It's a heavy metal font, and I'm going to knock it down to 30 points. You can find the font and download it for free. You can find it on places like DaFont, and just search on Google free fonts. So we're going to make this shirt design for the legendary fake band Itchy Rash. So move it a little bit more center. If you haven't heard of Itchy Rash, their rashes are itchy, and it makes them very angry and scream. So this is good. We're going to hit check mark. And now that we have this amazing band logo from the Hardcorium text font, we're going to go to brush. I currently have the hard round, and going to put in a skull, because you always have to have a skull. Maybe it's an angry skull, because the skull has an itchy rash. Everybody makes mistakes, so remember Control-Alt-Z or Command-Option-Z if you're using a Mac to undo. Make it a little bit bigger, fill it in. And it doesn't have to be too perfect. In fact, the less perfect it is, the more stylized and kind of interesting it looks. And then we'll have and make the brush a little smaller. Put in some teeth. And now let's put a little black and kind of etch the corners a little, so it kind of give it a grungy look. Maybe there's cracks in the skeleton. Kind of give it that scratched up look. Because they're itchy, they don't have time to draw. At least not well. My name's Aaron Croman, and good luck with Photoshop.